Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can create a free account on the website called Akool. So, first up, you're gonna go to your search browser, gonna search up Akool. Now you're going to hit enter. Now you click on this area, https.com akool.com. So you're gonna click here. Okay, so now you're going to be taken to this website. Now if you want, you can have a quick go through of what it is. So there's a lot of stuff here, such as 150 million plus asset creations trusted by Fortune 500 companies. So now a lot of big companies have also used this for themselves or maybe invested in it, and you can see this is like a face swap. Like, this is a kid's face, and then now when Elon Musk's face came, it went into Elon Musk's face. So that's something called AI face swap. Now there are total of 3 million users in this, and 10,000 companies which have partnered with it or which have used it for something. Now over here it's just going to give you options of what it can do for online education, for advertising, for art inspiration, for e-commerce. So there's a lot of things in which Akool can help you in gaining the edge over the other people in the next 2 years. So what you're going to do first is you're going to click on login. Now you're going to do sign up over here. Now you're gonna put your first name, your last name, your email and your password. So now once you've put all of your details, you're gonna go ahead and click on create an account. So now, just to make sure that you're a real person, it's going to send a access code to your Gmail from where you can check it, and then you can send it or you can type it back over here. So now I couldn't show you what to do after that, because right as I had submitted all of the letters or the numbers, then it had just immediately went back to this page. So after you've put the access code, is going to take you here where you will have to sign in and then put your password. So now when you've signed in, you're going to have 100 credits which you can use later. So now tell me in the comment section if I should make a separate video on how to use Akool, or if there are any other websites which are like this. So thank you, and I hope I helped you in learning something new today.